Good morning, trading world. Today is April 8th, 2020, and here we are with the pre market outlook. We will start with the NASDAQ this morning, and as you can see, I don't know if you paid much attention to it, but you see the levels getting tighter and tighter. That represents the constriction or the coiling of this spring uh, getting ready to build energy up for another violent move. No one knows whether it'll be up or down, but I will put my chips on the side of the table betting it will be down. Um, and here we go with the levels for today. Starting with resistance, the king resistance is 81.68. Queen resistance is 81.43. And Jack resistance is 81.26. Pertinent levels in between, we have 80.99, which starts right about here, and then 82.24. 82.24 is all the way up here. 82.24 up there, and then 82.40. 82.40, which is there, and then 82.82, which is all the way up here. Those are the pertinent levels in between. I do have a pretty much up signal for today. More of maybe a range. The larger side of the range will possibly be up today, which is why we have these pertinent levels all the way up here. Um, and let's go to support. Support, Jack support we have is at 80.51. Queen support we have at 80.20. And King support we have at 79.48. Pertinent levels in between, we have 80.40, which is right about here, and 79.95, which is a very important level. I struggled with that one because it could be a major level today, but 79.95 is very pertinent. 79.20, 79.20, which is down here. And then last but not least, we have 78.99. 78.99, which is down here. Those are the levels for the NQ today. Um, Again, the volatility is starting to constrict everywhere, not just in the NQ, but in the overall markets. So that lets us know that something big is on the cusp of happening. We'll bring in the ES for the overall market. And if you notice, there are levels that I have marked on here. Since I didn't do the since I don't really do the king, queen, and resistance levels each day for the ES, since I don't really trade the ES as much. Um, there are levels here that have kind of stood the test of time. They're like support and resistance over a very long time. where big firms feel comfortable hedging risk, and it usually takes a lot to get off or through one of those levels. So those are the levels that I have up on the ES. And if you notice, we've pretty much just bounced back and forth between these levels. And today should be no different. We should get a pop up, and maybe that pop will take us all the way to this 2731, or just shy of 27, just shy of that 2731 level, and back down. But um, you see what we're doing. We're just bouncing back and forth. And we will probably make it back down into this area, because this was the expected move, the top of the expected move this week for the ES. And you can see that we just blew that out of the water on the first day, and we're slowly headed back down to it. And don't be surprised at some point in time this week we crack deep back into it. If we crack deep back into it, like I said, I've started to put short positions on throughout a lot of index products, and I'm hoping to get another pop back up, because I didn't get all those short positions on where I wanted to yesterday. So hopefully we get another pop back up today so that I can get them on. And like I said, if we pop back deep down inside of this expected move, it wouldn't surprise me that Monday or Tuesday we open up a gap down of over 50 points or better. It wouldn't surprise me at all. And that will let you know that the beginning of this sell side activity is back, and it is going to be stronger than ever. So that's pretty much my outlook for today. Again, make sure your risks are defined. Be very careful, because when this market starts moving, a lot of things will become insufficient or not as accurate as they once were. You'll see the candles even on the 5-minute, 2-minute jump, and I mean jump through ranges like they haven't before. So at that point, trading with tight stop losses, or if you even on a normal market, I pride myself in being able to see different levels, and I usually trade with a tight stop loss. Hence the reason I move back to the NQ, so that I can set up a wider stop loss that doesn't cost me as much. But these are the things you're going to have to do if you want to play in the futures market, because the days on the ES of having a 2-point stop loss, it will pretty much be impossible to trade having 2-point stop losses. So I'm not going to say it can't be done, but it's going to be awfully hard. So again, be careful. We are in the midst of this spring compressing, and you don't want to be on the wrong side of it when it begins to unravel. So again, make sure your risks are defined. Good luck to you. Wishing you profitable trading. Have a great day.